Hi guys, Tony Hayes here. We've got the Tube SEO Commando launch coming up very soon. As part of the pre-launch, I wanted to give away one part of the software. Now, Tube SEO Commando is a software suite, and within the suite there's 10 different softwares right now, and we're building more as well, and we're going to add them as plugins later. So it'll be like having WordPress and having plugins. You can just get what you want and just add them in there later. What I want to do is just give you a demonstration of the power of one part of this software. So this is a little app that I'm giving away, and anybody familiar with Mark Olson's Tube Blueprint will know this strategy very, very well. It's to create a playlist and to put your video in that playlist and have the YouTube search results #1 and #2 within the playlist as well. Now the way we've done it is we put in our video URL here that we want to get ranked, that we want to appear in the first page for a particular keyword, okay? And what if that keyword is WSO review, for example, the #1 and #2 search results in YouTube will appear as #2 and #3 in the playlist. So your video will appear #1 and it will show the thumbnail. Now this does work, and I'm going to show you how it works in a second, because I made a video today and we are already on page 1 with that playlist for the keyword WSO reviews, and there's a lot of videos that we are competing with right now. So I'm going to show you the power of this. Let me just create another playlist from this now, and I'll tell you the best way to use it and how exactly I got onto page 1 in just a second. But we'll create the playlist first, and it takes just a few seconds. It saves you from going and finding doing the search and then having to manually put them into the playlist. So that's already created here. That's the URL here for the playlist. I don't need to open that. I've already got my playlist page open. I'll just refresh that, and here we go, top WSO reviews. So there's my video. There's a #1 YouTube search result, and there is a #3 YouTube search result. Now the best way to use this is to keep building around that particular keyword, and I'll show you the power of doing that right now. And I'm just going to make that a singular instead of a plural, and I'm going to create another playlist. Okay, let's just go back here. We'll refresh again, and we've got this one again. So our video just keeps appearing around these particular keywords. We're using variations, we're using LSI, we're building relevancy. So there's 9 videos only so far that I've 9 playlists that I've done so far. That's all we got so far. Now if I go up here and I type in WSO reviews, this is a video I did today, guys, okay? And when we come down, you're going to start to notice some playlists start to appear, and when they start to appear, there is my video here on page 1 for WSO reviews. And that was posted here 4 hours ago. It says here new, posted 4 hours ago. We're on first page of YouTube for WSO reviews. Now I don't know how many other videos. Yeah, here from 2,506. 2,560 results, and within 4 hours, using only that. There's no bookmarking. There's nothing else being done. Just this little simple app that we're giving away to you today. And we've done 9 playlists. That's all we have done here, and we're on page 1 for a keyword like that, okay? And there's a lot of marketers there competing with us, so you can see the power of this. It's pretty good. This is pretty good. You can see that it works. So enjoy, guys. I'm glad to give it out to you, and keep an eye on the Tube SEO Commando launch, because we've got 10 really good softwares in here, and they can make a huge difference to your YouTube marketing, okay? And we will keep adding more plugins. The plugins we will do maybe part of selling them as plugins to build in the suite. Some of them we will give away, depending on what we got, how long it takes to build it, etc., and what the costs are in building it. But great suite to have, and the good thing about Tube SEO Commando is built not to over optimize, to do enough that will make a big difference for you. Now if I go and bookmark this particular video that we've managed to get onto page 1 already, that's going to give it some more power. Now if I start to subscribe and start to comment, and I can build in my own comments underneath my own video as well, because we can import up to 100 YouTube accounts and we can have a conversation with ourselves and things like that. All of that builds relevancy, all of that builds activity, and YouTube is a social network in a sense as well, and that is going to help that video just to keep on rising. And that was very little work. You saw how little time that took to do those 2 or 3 playlists that I created there. Already on page 1, there's no other optimization being done. Very, very simple to do. So enjoy the app, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.